Hi guys and welcome here. So in today's video I'll tell you how you can teach your kids addition, a step-by-step process. It is gonna be easy if you follow these steps. And if you're new, if you found me through this video, then I'm Pragya. I make videos related to lifestyle, parenting and homeschooling. So if you enjoy these kind of content, be sure to subscribe, and also please check out the homeschooling playlist because there are so many content which are waiting for you to check out, and you will get tons of information over there. Now without further ado, let's get started with today's video. The very first step is teaching your kids counting, and this is the thing that you can teach your kids when they are 2.5, 3 years old. There is no age limit for this, but you can easily teach your kids number up till 20 when they are 2.5 and 3 as well. The next step is teaching them if I give you some more, like one more or two more or three more. So this concept I'll tell you practically how you can teach with any kind of manipulative. You can take out coins, blocks, wooden blocks, telegram, whatever you have. It will be much easier for your child to understand, like if somebody gives you some more object, then you have to sum it up and then you have to tell now how many there are. Nirvi has 3 squares, okay?
And Jonas?
Listen. If I give you one more, now how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Now Nirvi has 4 squares. If I give you 2 more, now how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Okay. Once your child has mastered this concept, then you can move towards a few very easy worksheets which are like this one, in which child just have to add the object. For example, if I have given here dices, then your child has to just add the dots on the dices and write how many there are. So this is from my math workbook. I have few more worksheets just like this one in my math workbook, and you can get it from my website. I'll put the link in the description box in case if you want a math workbook, because in that I have provided writing practice sheets also of the numbers and also logical worksheet just like this one. So many are there, and I'm sure it is gonna be really helpful for 2 to 5 year old kids. And if you get the workbook bundle, then you will get 40% off, and it is a huge discount that is going on, so be sure to check it out. And the next step is to give them numbers to add by using manipulative, and this is where we are at. Nirvi is now 4.3, almost 3 years old, 4.3 years old. So yeah, this is where we are, and I'll show you the video how she does it, and you can use coins or blocks or whatever manipulative you have. So we need 6 coins.
2, 3, 4, 5,
6. Okay, plus
3 is
3. 6 plus 3, so you need 3 more coins. 3 more rakho. 1. Count karo. 2. 1 more. 3. Now count karo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
6 plus 3 equals
9.
9. So now you have to write 9. Okay.
9 कैसे बनाते हैं इससे फिर इससे
9 कैसे बनाते हैं? सर्कल, स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड
सैंडी लाइन
स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके, पहले सर्कल यहाँ पे बनाओ. पूरा बनाओ. ओके, फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन, yeah. Good job. 6 plus 3 is 9. Good. Once your child has mastered this concept of adding numbers using any manipulative, then you can ask them to do the addition without using manipulative, just by drawing dots and lines. And like for example, there is number 5 and number 3. So your child has to draw 5 lines and then 3 lines and ask them to add them up and then write the number. This way they'll get the habit of doing addition without manipulatives. Once your child knows how to add them without manipulative, then you can also teach them the concept of adding tens and fives. So for example, 2, if you give them coin of 2 10, then how much it will be? 20. If you give them one more 10 coin, then it will be 30. So you can give them of 10 coins, 5 number 5 coins, or any manipulative. If you have the beats manipulative, if you have that, you can also use. So yeah, this is how you have to teach step-by-step addition. I really hope that you guys got ideas and inspiration, and if you have any questions, you can write me in the comment section. I would love to help you out. And if you have any other doubts, and if you have more query and multiple query, be sure to DM me on Instagram. I would love to help you out personally over there. And again, check out the homeschooling playlist. It is gonna be really helpful for you if you'll check it out. I'll provide the link in the description box of the homeschooling playlist, and also my website and workbook links. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.